Taking a little break from bee-related videos this day to show how I've grown potatoes in the yard, right in the lawn. This potato looks like it could wait a couple more weeks till it turned more brown, but I'm gonna dig it up and see how well the potatoes developed and take you along. First, I'll show you how I get started. As with most things I start growing in my yard, I just burn a little spot here, burn some brush, some old wood, and just get everything killed around it and get the dirt nice and bare. And then I just bury a little piece of potato in there. That's how I started my last one. The final thing that I do, I've never watered or weeded this thing. When I mow, I point the chute of the mower towards the potato and do donuts around it and shoot all the grass on top of it. And that's all I did for this mulch around it and for any type of weed suppression. So now let's dig them up. Before I even started digging, these are already up here on top of the ground. Little baby one. Couple good sized ones. They're not even attached to the plant at all. Okay, this one's a little bit attached. That one's not attached at all. Huh. Alright, let's see what we get here. The little tiny baby ones. So not really the greatest potato haul. I started with a little piece like that. So I mean, I got a couple potatoes. I have a few other plants around the yard, so I'll get more. This isn't like all my potatoes, but it's a cool little experiment. See how many I could get.